What's the meaning of cloakroom? Cloakroom. Cloakroom.
Cloakroom. Cloakroom. A cloakroom is a room or area, typically located near an entrance, where coats and other outer garments can be temporarily stored. Visitors or guests may be required to check their coats before entering certain establishments, such as theaters or restaurants. A cloakroom often contains hooks or hangers for hanging coats, as well as shelves or lockers for storing smaller items like hats or bags. In some countries, a cloakroom may also refer to a bathroom or restroom. Overall, a cloakroom is a convenient and practical space for storing outerwear while visiting public places.